Alright, so today I got something that I've been needing for a long while. And since I have an older generation, mid-2014 MacBook Pro, been editing videos and taking quite a few photos since I've started my camera hobby that I have little to no space left. So, today I went ahead and bought this. The Samsung portable SSD, the T5, 500 gigabytes. Usable on Windows, Mac, and Android. If you guys want to see all the specs. Okay. So now I'm going to go ahead and open this. Production 2019. Okay, that's good. Not too old. There it is. Cut the small plastic at the bottom, and the rest slides off. Comes in nice. It's almost like Tupperware for this thing. This thing is. The reason why I got this thing is because I like to carry my things on me, and my little 5-liter bag right here kind of rattled a little bit. And then it comes with 2 cases, so if you're rocking the new MacBooks, it comes with one of these, C to C, like I don't have, which is my older one, so I will put this aside and use it for something else. And this one comes with the C to A, which is, this is C for the SSD itself. And then, obviously my MacBook uses A. So let's go ahead and plug it in and see how this works. So from what I understand, when you plug this in, a blue light will show up. So let's go ahead and try that out. Lo and behold, the tiny little blue light. Now we have to set this thing up. So this thing pops up. Do you want to use a Samsung this to back up with Time Machine? No. I don't need that. And here it is. Because I've been deleting a lot of things off my Mac. A whole 500. So just to go ahead and give a little bit of explanation on why I bought this. Clearly I have a MacBook and I want to be able to store all my YouTube videos and photos that I've been taking on a drive that seems reliable. I bought the Samsung one instead of the SanDisk one, just because I feel like Samsung is more of like a trusted brand. Samsung makes SSDs, hard drives, everything for computers, so that's why I went with this company. And right now I'm just going to try to figure out how to move everything from my iMovie and my documents that I'd want to keep and move it to the Samsung SSD, and I'll let you know how that goes for you guys. So as you guys can maybe see here, if I can catch it, I'm transferring 15 gigs and it's saying less than a minute. That's what's in my whole video library right now. And this SSD is just eating it up. Look at it. Wow. Right now I've just been dumping just my USB sticks onto my Samsung. It is just eating these files up pretty fast. I know some people probably have like better SSDs and everything, but like compared to me for what I'm used to, this is just super snappy. It's just, some of these files are just, they process, some of these files are small enough but also fast enough to where my computer doesn't even open up that little bar to tell you that the progress bar, it just does it. So when I back up files, I always double check to make sure I have everything before I go ahead and just dump a card. Because, I mean, I've personally never accidentally dumped a card or formatted a card, but I've seen people talk about it and they don't seem too happy when they do it. So yeah, I would shoot some more video right now on this, but it would just be me going through my computer and files and it'd be pretty kind of boring for you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and do that for the next probably 30 minutes and dump everything onto this. And then we'll go ahead and talk about the device itself a little bit more. Okay, everything is done downloading, so let's go ahead and just talk about how this thing looks. It's a pretty small card. Well, pretty much looks like a card. It says Samsung on the front, obviously, portable SSD T5, the name. And then on the back, it just has a little bit more branding. Samsung portable SSD. And here is a normal size gift card. Specifically, I used the Best Buy one because that's where I bought this. Was Best Buy. Put that on top. It's roughly about the size of any type of card. Your credit card, debit card, gift card. Definitely made out of some nice aluminum. Although, it doesn't seem to have any bumpers on the side or anything. So dropping this, I don't know how confident I would be. So here's next to roll. It's about 3 inches by about 2 1/4. Also, let's not forget about the cable. Cable seems pretty kind of like a thick cable and pretty robust, to be honest with you. And it comes with a little cable management Velcro strap. So all in all, these two together, super tiny setup. I'm basically carrying a couple years of my work with me. Could easily fit in a pocket. So, this is my review on it. It wasn't really a spec-heavy review, just because I don't really know much about upload and download speeds when it comes to SSDs. But it's worked fine for me. Downloaded a couple years of my life from having on and off cameras onto one card, and was also able to put a game that I play on and off, mostly off now, don't really play it very much, on this one card. Only used about 200 gigs, so I have 300 left, unless I start shooting 4K videos, which I don't see myself doing very soon. But yeah, perfect card if you're struggling with like an older MacBook like I was. Highly recommended, and if you don't feel like buying it, then I guess you don't need to. Also, this year I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers on this channel, so if you could go ahead and like the video and possibly subscribe if you enjoyed the content, that'd be great. I'll see you guys in the next one.